In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute and select a microphone for your own use during a Google Meet meeting. So assuming I'm on a Meet meeting over here and I want to select a microphone, that speaker, I can change my microphone settings. I can come down here to audio settings. I can click, and right now I can select from the available microphones over here and the speakers that you want to use for this. You can select accordingly. Alternatively, you can come to the settings over here and you can define your microphone directly, and then you define your speaker also directly. And if you want to use the space bar push to talk, you can enable it from here. And now what this means is that once you are here during a meeting, if you want to talk, you can just hold down the space bar, and now you are talking in the meeting. Okay, and when you raise up your hand, you can see now that everything is muted. You are muted, and to talk again, you can press the space bar, and now you are talking, and then you can raise up your hand and you are muted. Okay, so if you found this helpful, please leave a like.